I've grown from just a handful of clients to now a 7-figure agency. We have 100 clients or so.
So right now we are a 7-figure agency, and I'm happy to say that. I have 7-figure agency to thank for that.
So this is the absolutely best, fastest, quickest way to scale and grow your business.
Trust me, this works. This is the best thing I've ever done.
We've scaled our business.
I highly recommend it.
I can't recommend it enough.
I'm over the moon happy.
Wow, wow, wow.
I've paid thousands of dollars for events that don't deliver the same amounts.
Do everything you can to get to the next one.